Singles get to open their hearts and open their minds to find love as they set sail through the Mediterranean.
They're bringing the Love Boat back in the Real Love Boat.
It was just a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and I can't wait for everyone to see it.
It was magical. It was the perfect setting for romance.
And they are two of the original cast members of the Love Boat. Please welcome Jill Whelan and Dad Land. Well, thank you for joining us. Welcome. I'm fangirling. I really am. I'm fangirling over here. Jill, you have been an ambassador for Princess for a few years. Every time we see you, you are wowing us, and thank you so much for your representation. We appreciate it so much at Princess. Thank you.
Well, it couldn't be easier. It is my favorite place to be on the planet Earth.
And Ted, you don't know this, but when I went on my first cruise as a guest, every picture that I took, I had the double barrel finger point. Every single picture, every one of them, I did.
You know how I got that?
How did you get it?
Because I'm an actor, and they said, look into the camera and smile. And I said, as an actor, what am I smiling about? What is my motivation? And the producer said, think about your check.
That's awesome. And I think they want us. Can you do the point? Can you give us a good hey, just for the audience, because everybody has their cameras out. Everyone wants to see it.
Wait. No, I'm gonna stand here, center stage. Watch carefully, because people don't know how to do this, you know? Sometimes people do like this. Hey, Isaac, is this it? No, you have to drop it. So here you go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I like how you did the dolphin sound. I was trying to do them, but I couldn't do them, so.
Hey, gang, where's the bartender? You got champagne? You're all singles, you're looking for love, right? I'm gonna tell you the secret to finding love. I've done this for a lot of cruises. What is the most important thing we must do when we're talking to each other and trying to find love?
Be vulnerable. Eye contact.
No?
Listen.
My darling.
Yes.
Listen, because you guys are gonna tell each other who you really are. So do that for me, and I guarantee you're gonna find love. Okay?
Love it.
All right. Good luck.
It was crazy to see Isaac, the bartender, face to face. It's just like, wow.
No.
What's up, singles? How are you?
Oh my God, hi.
Elisa, you get to pick your date to the captain's table.
Oh my God.
Who's it gonna be? You could pick one of these guys, or you could pick one of these men.
Which men?
Are you serious? The women have control right now, and that means two of us are being left at hard. This sucks.
Cheers now. Oh, I just throw it on myself.